It is so insanely hot outside right now, and working outside all day, whether it's testing products or hanging out with the kids or whatever, it's just so hot. When it's time to go to sleep, I need it cold. Like 67 degrees would be about perfect for me. My wife doesn't handle that. But to make that happen, I'm not gonna make the entire house that cold. It's too expensive to run the electricity, and it's a lot of strain on the AC unit when we're dealing with 120 degree heat indexes outside. So, put a window unit in my bedroom. I've always done that. But they're loud, not very efficient, and I've been looking for better options. And I finally got a window unit that handles all that. It's quieter, far more efficient, and keeps the room perfectly cold. This thing's cool. You gotta check this thing out. All right, we're out of the heat into my bedroom where it's much cooler. So this is a window AC unit. Now I was sent this for test and review purposes from ZAFRO. I've never heard of the brand before this, and they're not getting any input on this video, neither is a PR agency. But I was really interested in checking this out because when they offered me a window unit, I was in the process of looking for a new one because the previous model was a TCL brand, worked great, but I had it for about 6 or 7 years, and it was time for a new one. It was starting to wear down a little bit, so it's time to replace it. So I've always seen these U-shaped ones. Have you seen those? They come in different styles, but they're U-shaped, and the window either comes down inside of it or it hangs on the window, the window comes down on top of it. There's a lot of things I thought was interesting about this because aside from just being easier to install because you don't have this giant thing you got to hang on your window, it also added some benefits like quiet because it keeps your compressor outside. It keeps a lot of the parts, moving parts that create the noise and also allow a lot of airflow inside outside. So ZAFRO offered this and I was excited to test it out, and it has been great. It's a brand, like I said, I've never heard of this brand before, but the unit has been fantastic. So you can see right here, there's nothing too crazy on the front. It's got a really nice, modern, kind of cleaned up look. This LED across the front, it's nice. It's good kind of indicator, nice ambient light, but it does come with the remote. You can't turn the light off from the unit itself, but you can from the remote or the app because this is smart, of course. But the remote handles all the controls, does everything you need, and turning it off, it's really cool. It's got a nice little animation, shuts off. The remote screen is backlit as well, so when you use it, you have all the thing you need to see right there, and it's no confusing. But it's a nice unit up here. We have filter on the front, so this pops off right like this. You got one filter there, and there's a secondary filter underneath. These are both screens. They're washable, rinsable, blow them out, whatever you need to do. Really great options here. And it does remind you in the app, and you'll get a little indicator on the screen here when it's time to clean those. They average about 150 hours is when they want you to clean those, so I'll let you know when it's time to clean that off. This is a 10,000 BTU unit, and they do have larger units. This one is rated about 450 square feet, which is perfect for a bedroom. And right here, you see on the control panel, we have this louver right here, this little door. You can have it go up and down while it's blowing. That'll help kind of move the air around your room. It even has levers inside of it to move the air side to side. So it kind of helps to blow that around your room. If you don't have any fans in the room, it helps kind of move it around and better circulate the air. It's a really cool feature there. You got a timer, so you can have that shut off after a certain period of time. Sleep mode is a neat mode on this. So what it's going to do is it will actually, when it's time to go to bed and you activate sleep mode, is what it does is it reduces the fan speed and the compressor speed inside of it. It'll actually increase the temperature by 2 to 4 degrees throughout the night. And is what it's doing for that is it's kind of save you electricity, makes it even quieter, drops the noise volume all the way down to 32 decibels, which is extremely quiet. It averages right around 48 decibels even on high mode, it peaks at like 54. And I can barely hear this thing run. And that's not just talking the fan. So we're talking about the compressor because that's outside. So when you hear your air conditioner kick on, you hear that loud kind of jarring, the bang sound, and you hear everything kind of pick up and the motor get louder and everything happens. All that is kept outside of the window with the window shut. So it's really nice in keeping it quiet aside from the fan speed being low. I don't use sleep mode because I want to keep it cold all night, which we've established. We got fan speed, so you can adjust fan speed. It does have an auto mode. So as if it starts to heat up and it's not cooling up quick enough on low speed, it'll actually increase the fan speed, and it has an eco mode as well. So once it hits the temperature, and usually it'll cool about a half a degree to a full degree below the temperature set at, it'll shut the fan off to save some money and electricity. So it'll kick back up when the temperature rises above the point you have it at. Fan speed adjustment, we got high and low there, or a temperature adjustment, high, adjust your temperature there. And you can change the mode here. So we've got cool, which is your typical air conditioner. It has a dry mode. So it's going to pull as much moisture out of the air as possible. When it's doing that, it is running the air conditioning compressor, so it's also going to get very cold in the room, but it is going to remove the moisture out of the room. And you got fans, so it's just moving air around. Really cool setup, simple to use, not a whole lot of complexity there or on the remote. Now, when we look at the app, it's just as simple there. You have all the controls you want there. It does have firmware updates and things like that that you can update. But in the app, you can set up schedules. So you can have it automatically adjust just like your home would do. So if you don't have a smart that's adjusted automatically throughout the day or whatever, learning all that stuff, you're going to program in what you want the temperature to be. So you set it from 9 o'clock at night, you want it to drop down to 67 degrees and hold it there until 6 a.m. It'll do that. Then you can have it warm back up into 74 degrees, 73, whatever you're gonna do it throughout the day. And it'll automatically do all that stuff for you. So when it's time for bed, it's already gonna be cool and you don't have to mess with that. So it's a nice feature and that's built into the app. So you have that. You can adjust the fan speed. You can set the reset the filter timer on it. All that good stuff is all in the app and it's super easy to use and there's not a lot of complexity. Now installing this was really easy. You still open up the window, you still shove it through the window, and you have to have the window wide open. And the dimensions are going to be vary depending on your window size. So you need to make sure that the air conditioner does fit in your window before you buy this thing. But the whole thing goes out the window, and then you get to the U part, and it just hangs on your window. I really like the downward hanging rather than the style where the window slides inside of it, because this puts the vast majority of the weight on the frame of the window and less strain on the window itself. But it hangs on the window. On the outside, there's a couple of screws that you'll actually tighten those up, and that adjusts how this adjusts the distance between the window and the wall and the air conditioning unit. So you don't have it just out there flopping around. You adjust that, and that kind of closes that gap so it sits solid. You also have the ability with that to adjust the angle. So you want this to have a slight slope outward. So the condensation that it is pulling out of the air with all the moisture and humidity in your air in your room, it's pulled out, sits inside of a tray, and then drains outside. However, if it is filling faster than it is draining from the outside or it gets clogged, you do have an option on the side over here is a plug. You can unplug it and manually drain that tray if you need to do that. I haven't needed to do it. Obviously, I can show in the video, here's a little clip where I do drain some out. So it is there, but it's constantly draining out and it's being cycled. And it's all actually helps kind of keep it cool as well, but it does drain automatically outside. I haven't had any issues with any moisture inside or any overfilling or anything like that. So it's worked great. But once that's done, you get that installed, put it through the window, adjust your screws outside to get the proper tension, get your angle right, and then they provide everything you need for the foam. So they provide different styles of foam. Some of it is pre-cut and shaped to go around. You can see right here, it goes around the AC unit. I need to fix some of my foam because I got some gaps and I just need to readjust it after a while. But really great system. They give you like 3 or 4 different foam types that are pre-cut and shaped to go around this. They give you good instructions on where to install the foam, how to install it. All that's really great and super easy to get it set up. I was in and running in about 10-15 minutes between getting it into the window, adjusting the screws, getting the foam put on, and everything done. It was up and running, super easy to go. I've really enjoyed using this thing. It's extremely quiet. I've always slept with some kind of noise in the room. I don't like just a fan. It's too consistent and my brain just overwhelms it, forgets it's there and doesn't use it anyways. So by switching to this AC unit, I've always used white noise like rain sounds and thunderstorm sounds. It's always been good for me. And I don't have to have it cranked up super loud to drown out the sound of the AC unit because this is so quiet. You can see, I'll put a video up here, a little camera. I have a thermal camera from ThermoMaster, and you can see how cold the air is coming out of this between when it is on just fan or on AC. You can see the kind of the heat around the top and how much a difference in temperature it is outside than inside. So it's really cool how cold this thing blows out, and being super quiet allows me to have the temperature I want in my room and still have the white noise that I need to help me sleep. And it all works really well together. Super easy setup. Not a whole lot going on with this. Kind of set it up. Once it's done, you don't have to do anything with it other than clean the filter out every 150 hours, and it's an easy task to do that. Put a link for everything down below. If you have any questions, make sure you ask them down there. I'd be happy to help you out, answer any questions I can. Like and subscribe. It helps the channel a ton. It doesn't cost you anything. If you want to make sure you know when the videos come out, hit that bell icon. You'll get a notification when the video drops. You don't have to go track it down. So thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing the next one.